My name is Zeynep Bromberg. I'm a class of 2024 at Harvard College studying mechanical engineering. So my ES100 project involves the design of a autonomous wheelchair securement device to be used in public transit settings. So basically, the issue that motivated this project is the fact that in wheelchair transit securement, there are no systems that exist that are autonomous, meaning the person in the chair can completely do it themselves, universal, meaning that it's designed to be adaptable with many different types of sizes and shapes of wheelchairs, and crashworthy, so strong enough that it can hold up in crashes. And so the idea behind this project was to redesign a technology that already exists called the UDIG, the Universal Design Interface Geometry, which is sort of what you're looking at over here, but it's a system for wheelchair transit securement that is all three of those things. But the problem with UDIG technology today is it was completely permanent in that it was bolted onto the back frame of the chair. And so you had two of these like kind of heavy metal arms that were located pretty far down away from the wheelchair user's center of gravity. And this is especially for manual wheelchair users, presented a really big issue. So the idea behind this project was to redesign this system so that it could be detachable and ergonomic, so the person in the chair could put it on and off themselves. Essentially, the way that this works is I have a mock-up of the rigid UDIG anchors. So imagine there are two of these blue ones. This is essentially sort of like a cut view, so we're seeing half of what goes on. And then the rigid anchors get put into place. Actually, I'll put this right here. In the floor of the vehicle. And then the wheelchair user would back themselves in, such that these two are aligned, and then once it's in place, the blue anchors come out and secure the arms to where they need to be so that the wheelchair doesn't move while the vehicle is moving.